This is just a short video to announce the release of the Psirad build instructions and the Psirad software. At the end of the video, you will find a download link. The Psirad build instructions is a 70 pages document containing detailed instructions on how to build your own Psirad clone. The document explains all necessary building steps, including hardware construction and how to download and install the Psirad software. Amongst other things, the document contains photos, circuit charts and connection tables explaining the wiring. It also lists all necessary components, including sources and some prices and suppliers. There is also a 19 pages user manual that will explain the Psirad software and help you to understand how to operate your device. By watching this video, you are supporting the development of Psirad. Thank you for your support. The software is released as freeware, and the documents are also free of charge.